Now, a system of ordinary differential equations, it involves several unknown functions of one independent variable. And again, if they are ordinary differential equations, if say we have, I don't know, x of t, maybe y of t, and z of t, if we have three unknown functions, then we're going to have the right hand side is going to involve x of t, x prime of t, x double prime of t, and so on, y of t, y prime of t, y double prime of t, and so on. But, well, same for that. But it's not going to have something like x evaluated at the point t minus 2. So that's not allowed, right? So that's not covered by the word ordinary. So here is a system of two unknown functions and the derivative. So it is a system of ordinary differential equations. So it is still part of our course. Then later in the course, it is going to be clear why systems of ordinary differential equations are always of order 1. So that's the system of differential equations always looks like the left-hand side is just the list of derivatives of all unknown functions, and the right-hand side, well, is some expressions involving the independent variable and the unknown functions. So in other words, we can think of a system of ordinary differential equations as a single ordinary differential equation, but with one vector unknown. Well, again, it's not important now, but it is going to be important later in the course after the recess week. Then a related concept is a partial differential equation. Right? So a partial differential equation, it involves one unknown function, but several independent variables. Right? So here are a few examples. Heat equation. Right? So it models the propagation of heat. This is called also the shallow water equation. The Black-Scholes equation is very, very important in finance. So it is used for option pricing. Now, partial differential equations, they are not ordinary differential equations, and therefore they are not a part of our course. Right? So there is another course called partial differential equations. Okay, now let's stop the lecture and take this little quiz.